Good morning, children. We are going to do revision of the chapter Unit 2 Nina and the Baby Sparrow. First, we will do new words. What we are going to do? New words. WEDDING wedding. NOTHING nothing. TEARS tears. CHEEKS chicks. BOTHERING bothering. REMOVE remove. LOVELY lovely. DRESS dress. PLUMP plump. MARKET market. Now we are going to do meanings. WEDDING wedding. Wedding means marriage. MARRIAGE EXCEPT except. Except means without. WITHOUT without. INSTEAD instead. OFF instead of means in place of. BOTHERING bothering means being said. PLUMP plump. Plump means fat. Remove. REMOVE remove means take away. We will read all the meanings together. Wedding, marriage, except, without, instead of, in place of, bothering, being said, plump, fat, remove, take away. Dear children, you have to do this new words also you have to learn and meanings also. Do this both the things in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you. Dear children, you after these new words and meanings, now we will go to question answer. Now we will do answer the following. What we are going to do? Answer the following. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? Why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was a great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married and all her family members were going to Delhi to attend the wedding. In Nina's house, everybody was too much excited, too much happy. So, what was the reason? The reason was Nina's aunt was getting married. And where she was getting married? In Delhi. So, everyone was very happy to go to Delhi to attend the wedding. Second, why was Nina sad? Nina was worried because they were going to Delhi for a wedding, and so the house would be locked. Nina was worried because they were going to Delhi for a wedding, and so the house would be locked. Now, what was her worry? Why she was worried and said? Because of the sparrow, baby sparrows were there in her room, and if they all go away, then everything would be locked. So, what about the baby sparrow? What will happen to them? So, for that reason, she was worried. Question 3. What did mother suggest? Mother suggested that they would remove all Nina things from the room and lock the door from outside. Then they would leave her room's window open to let Papa and Mama Sparrow feed their babies comfortably. What did mother suggested? Mother suggested that they would remove all Nina things from the room and lock the door from outside. Then they would leave her room's window open to let Papa and Mama Sparrow feed their babies comfortably. Last one, fourth. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? When she came back from the wedding, what did she find? When she came back from wedding, she found two fat little sparrows flying all over the room. What did she find? She found that two fat little sparrows flying all over the room. Question 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was a great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married and all her family members were going to Delhi to attend the wedding. Question 2. Why was Nina sad? Answer 2. Nina was worried because they were going to Delhi for a wedding and so the house would be locked. Question 3. What did mother suggest? Answer 3. Mother suggested that they would remove all Nina's things from the room and lock the door from outside. Then they would leave her room's window open to let Papa and Mama Sparrow feed their babies comfortably. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? When she came back from the wedding, she found two fat little sparrows flying all over the room. Now we are going to do another exercise of write the correct option. Now write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Here box are given. We have to select the correct option from this A, B, C, D and we have to write the alphabet over here. Now first we will read. Everyone was happy because they were going to the market. They were buying new clothes. There were baby sparrow in the house. They were going to Delhi for the wedding. So what is the correct answer? D. They were going to Delhi for the wedding. So we'll write D over here. 2 number. Mother was upset because Nina was crying. A. B. Nina was sad. C. Nina did not buy anything. D. Nina was angry. The correct answer is C. Nina did not buy anything. Nina did not buy anything. So we'll write C over here. 3 number. Who was not happy? A. Nina. B. Mother. C. Father. D. Brother. Correct answer is A. Nina was not happy because she did not wanted to leave the birds, baby sparrow and go. 4th number. What was there on the bookshelf in Nina's room? A number. A parrot. B number. A cuckoo's nest. C number. A pigeon. D. A sparrow nest. What is the correct answer? D. It was a sparrow nest. 5 number. Nina was worried about A. Papa sparrow. B. Mama sparrow. C. Baby sparrow. D. The nest. She was worried about the baby sparrow. C. So we'll write C over here. How many baby sparrows were there? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. What is the correct answer? There were 2. How many? There were 2. So we'll write B over here. We are going to write B over here. Because how many baby sparrows were there? There were 2 baby sparrows. Now I'll go to the next page. Where was the nest? Where was the nest? On the fan. A. B on the window. C on the shelf. D on the cupboard. Correct answer is on the shelf. So we'll write C over here. 8. The baby sparrow cried for food the whole day because they were hungry. A number. B. They were growing up. C. Papa sparrow was out. D. Mama sparrow was out. A. They were hungry. So we'll write A over here. What was Nina worried about? The crying of baby sparrows, the nest, how Papa and Mama Sparrow would look after the babies? Or D number, how Papa and Mama Sparrow would feed their babies? The correct answer is D. What is the correct answer? D. 10 number, mother suggested A, to leave the house open, to leave the window open, to leave the door open, to move the nest. So B, to leave the window open. The correct answer is B. So now we'll go to the next page. When Nina came back, 11 number, there were no sparrow in the nest. B, Papa and Mama Sparrow were flying around. C, two thin sparrows were flying around. D, two plump little sparrows were flying around. So D, two plump little sparrows were flying around. I will write D over here. Now fill in the blanks. Here the options are given in the bracket. We'll read that first. 2, Nina, plump, sparrow's nest, window. Now dash did not want to go for wedding. Who did not wanted? Nina. So we'll write Nina over here. 2 number. There was a dash on the bookshelf. What was there on the bookshelf? Sparrow nest. So we circle here and we'll write sparrow nest in the blank. There were dash baby sparrow in the nest. How many were there? 2. So we'll write 2 over here. Number 4. Mother suggested to leave the window open. So what is the correct answer? Window. So we'll write window over here. 5 number. When Nina came back, two plump little sparrows were flying all over the room. So what is the correct answer? Plump. What is the correct answer? Plump. Nina did not want to go for the wedding. There was a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf. There were two baby sparrows in the nest. Mother suggested to leave the window open. When Nina came back, two plump little sparrows were flying all over the room. Now I'll go to the next page. Now over here, write true or false. Write true or false. 1 number. Everyone was happy except Neha. What is the correct answer? True. Correct? No. Neha was not happy. Everybody were happy to go to Delhi. Nina's mother was upset because she did not buy anything. Now when Nina's mother was upset because she was worried about the sparrow Nina, so she was not happy. Looking at Nina, her Nina mother was also became upset. So it is true. What is the correct answer? True. There was a sparrow nest in Nina's room. So it is true. It was there. It is there. It was there in Nina's room near the bookshelf. There was one baby sparrow in the nest. Only one it was. No, there were how many? 2. So this is false. The baby sparrow cried for food all day long because Mama Sparrow was not there. So this is also false. Did baby sparrow cried for the food whole day long? No. Mother suggested to leave the window open. 6 number. So it was true. The mother gave no idea to leave the window open. 7. Mother removed all the things from Nina's room and locked the door. So it is true. She did the same thing. She removed all the things from Nina's room and she locked the door and she kept the window open. When Nina came back, she did not see the baby sparrow in the nest in the room. So it is false. When Nina came back, what happened? She saw 2 fat plump sparrows were there. Right. Now we'll go write the words beginning with the same sound. T-H-I-N-K, think. THIN, thin. THREE, three. GROW, grow. तो GREAT, great. GREEN, green. CHIN, chin. So what is it? Chain. CHAIN, chain. So CHEEK, chick. CHALK, chalk. Chain, chick, chalk. Then HUG, hug. HUNGRY, hungry. HUT, hut. Last, full. FOOL, full. So FOOD, food. FOOT, foot. Food, foot. Now we'll read all the beginning words with the same sound. What we have to do, we have to write two words at beginning with the same sound. So see, TH is there. So THIN, thing. THIN, thin. THREE, three. Now beginning word is over GR. So GROW, grow. GREAT, great. GREEN, green. Now chains. CHAIN. So CHEEK, chick. CHALK, chalk. HUG, hug. HUNGRY, hungry. HUT, hut. FOOL, full. FOOD, food. FOOT, foot. So dear children, you have to do this exercise in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.